Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you share your screen on Google Meets. So first of all, I'm just going to create a new meeting and start an instant meeting. Dismiss that. So once my meeting is ready, all I need to do is, you see these options in the bottom. We're gonna press this one that says present now. Basically it's like an arrow within a screen, so I press that and now I have three options: your entire screen, a window, or a tab. So a tab is basically a tab of your browser. Like for example, this is one tab, this is one tab, this is one tab, so I can present any single one of those. That this just gives you a better privacy, so like you only share what you want to share. A window is basically any application, basically Google Chrome, Discord, WhatsApp, VS Code, or uTorrent, so on. A window option is basically for sharing a specific application, whereas your entire screen is used for sharing the entire screen. That means all of your windows, your tabs, everything would be accessible to your viewers. So I'm just gonna press this real quick, and I press on that and I press share, and it's gonna say you are presenting your screen now. So basically that's pretty much how screen sharing works on Google Meet. So if there's any questions, just leave it below and I'll see you in the next one.